Welcome to my home. It's Sunday, it's family day, so we got the whole family here together. More people are coming, but for now, we're cooking, as you can see here. Let's take a look at what she got going on. Hello, how are you? So on Sundays, we cook Khmer food. Let's check this out here. Look at that, fresh, beautiful. So good. Very nice. And then of course we have karaoke. You can't go wrong with the karaoke here. We have lots of people. Hello. All right. You can see big screen TV, karaoke, beautiful family Sunday. He's got skills. He's got lots and lots of skills. Hello, Chino. Hi, Anna. We have more people arriving. Hello, brother. How are you? Good? Here we go. Lots of people arriving. Hello. Don't be camera shy. Hello. We'll get them later. Don't worry. So this is what it's about, guys. It's about community. It's about family. The channel, like I told you, is going through a little bit of a transition. I will still be giving information about Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, Kampot, Korong, Battambang, and all the other places around Cambodia. But it's gonna be also family themed because I do have a newborn. I have a brand new baby, and yeah, so here's the kitchen. It's really busy, getting really busy. Hi Chino, how are you? Good, 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 good. Oh, you're back. She's gonna be very popular. Oh, this guy's hiding. He's always hiding. Hello, sister. So, what is it like being in Cambodia as an expat? With my significant other, we have a baby now. I'm part of a large family. It's huge. She has 9 other siblings. So this makes it a lot of fun, a lot of beautiful times. Look at this. This is amazing. Check out the setup here. We have a Samsung microphone ready to go. You ready? Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna sing some karaoke while they're cooking in the kitchen. Let's actually go take a quick look in the kitchen here. This one's appetizers. Look at all this. Wow. Okay, what do we have here?
Salad beef.
Okay, so we have beef salad here. Look how good that looks. All homemade. Homemade Khmer food is so delicious. Check this out. Wonderful fish, Khmer food here. Beautiful. Wow. Wonderful. As I was discussing in other videos, I live in a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3-story house. So let's go see what Dylan is up to. There's so many rooms here and a lot of space. So I want to go check on my baby. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, look at this. Hello. How's everybody? Oh, look at him. And everyone's hanging out. And he's running away again. Bye-bye. Say hello, Dylan. So Dylan is eating upstairs while the karaoke is going on. Hi, Dylan. Oh, so sweet. Very cute. And he's with grandma and his sisters. It's wonderful. Hello. Welcome to my master bedroom. This is one of 2 master bedrooms in this house. Yes, all rooms have their own bathroom, and we also have a guest bathroom on the main floor. I want to discuss how it feels like to be a dad in Cambodia, especially an expat dad. Now, it's wonderful. I have a lot of people, a lot of love, a lot of support. It's incredible. It's different from Canada, and I'll get into that in later videos. But I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. And if you haven't, subscribed to my channel now, because we're gonna have a lot of more fun, family-packed videos on this channel. You might see some changes to the channel, some changes to the picture and the profile picture, but that's because the channel is evolving, okay? The channel's evolving, we have more people, and also I have more ideas. And we have Dylan, we have baby Dylan, so we have to adapt. We're gonna show more of how it is to live as a family, and especially as a new expat dad. But at the same time, I'm still gonna give you the information about prices, about restaurants, about visas, about services, and anything that you want me to discuss, just leave it in the comments below. As usual, I take my subscribers' recommendations seriously, and I usually do videos on them, usually. And if I haven't gotten to your request yet, that's because I haven't gotten a lot of sleep, because I have a 4-month-a-year-old baby. My videos have been backlogged, but we're gonna get more consistent because we're gonna have a lot more footage, a lot more fun. So what is it like living in Cambodia as an expat dad? Well, you're gonna get a lot of that. My original channel, Steve, Expat Living in Cambodia, was a lot of information about visas, what it's like to live here, but more of how it's like to live here solo and what my experiences were, what prices of restaurants were, and things like that. Now, I'm gonna keep that more or less the same. However, we're gonna switch the dynamic a little bit into how it is to live as an expat dad. So how is it to live here with a family in Cambodia? So we're gonna get a lot more footage. It's gonna be a lot more fun. You're gonna be introduced to a lot more people, and the Khmer people are wonderful, and I can't wait to show you how my life has changed. And also you get to watch Dylan grow up, my baby Dylan grow up. It's gonna be wonderful. I know I got a lot of comments in my previous videos about how cute he is, and he's growing fast. He's so adorable, and I can't wait to show you more of him. So Dylan is drinking now, he's eating, and now we're gonna go eat downstairs as well. Okay, Dylan, you look tired, you're gonna sleep a little bit. He's gonna take a nap while we sing some karaoke. Again, it's family night, Sunday, it's a wonderful time. So just to show you, when you have a baby, look at the chaos in the room. Everything's just full of baby stuff. Again, a lot more cleaning to go. We haven't really been on it today because we have family, but the room, beautiful room, massive room. Look at this. Of course, the balcony, full-size balconies, just beautiful. And so the master bedroom, there's a room and then there's another room attached to it. So that's how big it is. It's huge. And then of course, you have the bathroom. Wonderful, modern, gorgeous, high ceilings, new fans, everything's just beautiful. If you wanna know how much I pay for my house in Phnom Penh, that's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 3 stories, then I'll put a link in the description below where Dan at Vagabond Awake did an interview with me. And I go through all the expenses and things like that. Things have changed, obviously, with the baby, the expenses went up. But overall, I'll leave it in the description below so you can check it out. Wonderful video. You get to know how much my cost of living is and things like that. I look forward to showing you how life is in Cambodia and also how my cost of living changes as my baby grows up. Hello, how are you? So here it is. Check it out, guys. Wow. Look at all this. Wonderful. Don't hide. There's the guy that hides a lot. Hello, Chino. I know you recognize them from the previous video I just did, but okay, you want to say hi? Aw, so cute. So we're watching YouTube. We're gonna do some karaoke, have some fun. This is Sunday, Phnom Penh Family Day. What I love about Cambodia is that you eat as a family. So you put all the platters there, you get your plate of rice, and then you share. This is a beautiful way to live, and I'm enjoying it tremendously. I think we should be doing this in Canada and other places. What do you think?
Oh, very nice.
Very nice? Okay. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Look how wonderful this is. Family is so beautiful to have here. I'm so happy to be here. Everything is shared, as you can see. And after we eat, karaoke time. So I hope everyone's ready. I don't think I'm gonna do karaoke though. Maybe, we'll see about it. What do you think, Eliza? Should I do karaoke? You think I should sing? Yeah? Okay. For karaoke, I bought the Samsung Q2U recording podcast pack. And this microphone is just amazing. Look at that. It's great. It's better than my old one. So my old one is over here. This one was terrible. This came with the karaoke set, but you know what? No power, no juice, terrible. This one is heavy, strong, and it's about a few $100s. So it's so much better, and everyone has much more fun. The quality is much better with the Samsung. How's everyone doing? Very good? Happy?
Yeah.
See, they don't like when I talk too much because when they eat, they like to be silent. So all you hear is chewing and slurping. Is that true, Anda?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Enjoy, guys. I think I'm gonna stop bothering them. All right, here we go. Go for it, buddy. Woo! We're just eating here, having a good time, relaxing. Oh, look who's here. Dylan! Dylan! Aw. Okay, we gotta turn down the volume now because Dylan's here. Hi, baby!
I do.
You do? Oh! So cute. How you doing, little guy? My son Dylan loves family time. My son Dylan loves Sundays because all the family comes here. In about 3 hours, it's gonna be packed, and I'm gonna show that in another video, just so this video is not that long. But this is wonderful. Look how beautiful this is. Family, eat, drink, enjoy ourselves. And here's the chef. Thank you very much. And this is her sister. Hi, how are you? Thank you very much. And then there's one hiding there. Eliza, hello. And then Dylan, Anda, Chino, and then Grandpa. Okay. Hi. Hello. Aww. Check out this divine voice. You know what? They came up with a consensus. I have to sing something. So, let's go. So here we go. I'm gonna try my best. Obviously, I'm not gonna sing the full thing because YouTube is not gonna like it, okay? I'll sing about a 3-second version of it, just so you know that I participated in the karaoke. Right, Anda?
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay, they're setting it up right now.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing.
Karaoke.
It works.
Here we go. You let me know if I have a good voice or not.
Another day is gone. I'm still all alone. How could this be? You're not here with me. You never said subscribe to my channel. Though you're far away, I'm here to stay. I thought I heard you cry, asking me to come and hold you in my arms, that you are not alone. I am here with you. Subscribe to my channel for more. You have any questions, just ask. You're not alone. I'm here. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and viewing to my channel. I really appreciate you. Leave a like, subscribe. Thank you. And for dessert, Krispy Kreme. Yes, in Cambodia, we do have the luxuries of the Western world. So, let's indulge. Congratulations, Roxy. I was just calling you to say that we're opening up a nice bottle. Yay!
Wow. So nice.
Smells good.
Yes.
It smells so good. 3, cheers.
Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate the support. And see you on the next one. We're out.
Bye-bye.